Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to put Google search bar on your home screen in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my desktop or laptop, you just see this one, the search bar. So if I search anything, automatically it will move into that places of the search engine. So Elon Musk search means automatically it will move into that search bar. So whatever you want to search, everything will be there in the search bar. So you can copy and paste whatever URL, automatically it will move into that. This is the simple and easiest search bar option, like Apple book and Apple Air or all type of things. Windows also you can able to have the search bar. What you have to do here, simple and easiest tip I just want to share. Just go to Microsoft Edge, the website, that is a browser, Microsoft browser. There will be a three dot in your right hand side corner. Just hit the button in the three dot and just go to settings. Once you click a settings option, there will be a plenty of settings will be available. So you can just scroll down. You will have a privacy, search and service. Once you click a privacy, search and service, there will be a search and connect experience. Just hit the button and you will find address bar search over here. Just hit the button address bar search over here. So you will find option called as search engines. So just choose a search engines. There will be a search engines will be there. So you can find a Google Chrome will be there. So just select this one and add a default. So while already I added default one, so this is a default one as you see here. So Google is a default. So now just close this one, just go to the same three dot option and just go to more tools and you will find a launch a search bar. So once you click a launch search bar, automatically your search bar will be added over here. This is simple and easiest way to add a search bar over here. So you can click here to add or delete whatever you want. So you want to close, you just close this one. So turn off auto launch and do not show. So just click here to turn off auto launch, also will be switched off. So simple and easiest way to get your search bar and you can switch off your search bar. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.